Have you ever felt stressed about money? Maybe you're struggling with debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or constantly worrying about unexpected expenses. You work hard, but financial freedom still feels out of reach. You're not alone. Most people don't realize that money isn't just about numbers. It's about mindset, habits, and smart decisions. Suze Orman, saying that you are powerful beyond measure. Your financial destiny is in your hands. In the 9 Steps to Financial Freedom, Suze Orman reveals how you can take control, eliminate money stress, and build real wealth. If you're ready to break free from financial struggles and create a life of security and success, keep watching. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Face your financial fears. The only way to conquer your money fears is to face them head on. Avoiding money problems won't make them disappear. It only makes them worse. The first step to financial freedom is acknowledging your fears and taking control. Write down your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Understanding your financial reality is the foundation for success. Lesson 2. Reprogram your money mindset. Change your beliefs. Change your wealth. Your beliefs about money shape your financial future. Money isn't just logical, it's emotional. Your financial habits are often shaped by childhood experiences, societal beliefs, and fear-based thinking. Money isn't just about how much you earn. It's about what you believe. If you grew up hearing things like, money is the root of all evil, rich people are greedy, I'll never be wealthy, then you might be subconsciously blocking your own financial success. How to break free from limiting money beliefs. First, you need to identify negative beliefs. Think about what you were taught about money as a child. Ask yourself, do these beliefs help me or hold me back? Write down any negative thoughts about money that come to mind. Then, challenge and replace them. Question them. Is this really true? Replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. Example, I'm bad with money. Instead, I'm learning to manage money wisely. I'll never be rich. Instead, wealth is created through smart choices, and I'm making them. Surround yourself with a wealth mindset. That doesn't mean only people. You can read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financially successful people. And please avoid negativity. Stop taking money advice from broke people. Start hanging around people who think big and believe in financial success. Take small actions to build confidence. Open a savings or investment account, even if you start with $10. Track your money for 30 days to see where it really goes. Celebrate small financial wins. Progress builds belief. What you need to keep in mind. Your financial future starts in your mind. Change your mindset and you'll change your bank account. Lesson 3. Be debt-free. Stop letting debt control your life. When you free yourself from debt, you free yourself from stress. Debt is the #1 thing keeping people stuck. Debt is the biggest thing holding most people back from financial freedom. Credit card bills, loans, and interest payments keep you stuck in a cycle where your money isn't working for you. It's working for the bank. The good news? There's a way out. Here are 2 powerful methods to pay off debt and take control of your finances. Method 1. The debt. Snowball method. Quick wins. Big momentum. This method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. Hear how it works. List all your debts from smallest to largest. Ignore interest rates. Pay the minimum on all debts except the smallest one. Attack that with every extra dollar you have. Once it's paid off, roll that payment into the next smallest debt. Keep going until you're debt-free. Small victories keep you motivated. This way, every time you knock out a debt, you feel accomplished and more determined to continue. Method 2. The debt avalanche method. Save more money on interest. This method focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you the most money in the long run. Here how it works. List all your debts from highest to lowest interest rate. Pay the minimum on all debts except the one with the highest interest. Throw everything you can at that one. Once it's gone, move to the next highest interest rate debt. Repeat until you're debt-free. That way makes you save hundreds or even thousands in interest by eliminating high-interest debt first. Which method is best for you? Use the Snowball method if you need motivation and small wins to stay consistent. Use the Avalanche method if you want to pay the least amount of interest overall. Either way, the key is to commit to a plan and stay disciplined. The sooner you get out of debt, the sooner you can invest, build wealth, and take control of your financial future. Lesson 4. Build an emergency fund, your financial safety net. The greatest financial security comes from knowing you are prepared for the unexpected. An emergency fund prevents small problems from becoming financial disasters. Job loss, medical bills, or unexpected expenses shouldn't derail your progress. Start saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Even setting aside $500 to $1,000 is a great start. Lesson 5. Invest for your future. Make your money. Work for you. The secret to wealth? Make your money work for you while you sleep. Saving money won't make you rich. Investing will. The key to wealth is letting your money grow over time. Open a retirement account, 401k, IRA, or start investing in low-cost index funds and ETFs. Even investing $50 a month can grow into a fortune over time. Lesson 6. Protect your wealth. Insurance and estate planning. True financial security comes from knowing you've planned for the unexpected. Financial freedom isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it safe. Unexpected events like illness, accidents, or death can ruin an unprepared family. What you can do: get life insurance if you have dependents. Create a will and power of attorney to ensure your assets are handled properly. Have health and disability insurance to protect yourself. Lesson 7. Trust yourself and your decisions. No one will care about your financial future as much as you. Many people rely on financial advisors, family, or friends to make money decisions for them. While guidance is good, you need to be in control. Educate yourself on personal finance. Read books, watch videos, and make informed decisions about your money. Lesson 8. Give back. The secret to abundance. True wealth isn't just about how much you have, but how much you can give. Suze Orman emphasizes that generosity creates more wealth. Giving doesn't make you poorer. It makes you richer in every sense. Start small. Donate a percentage of your income to a cause you believe in or help someone in need. The more you give, the more you receive. Lesson 9. Live your truth. Define what wealth means to you. Financial freedom is not about money. It's about living the life you were meant to live. Financial freedom isn't just about having money. It's about living life on your own terms. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom look like for me? Maybe it's traveling, retiring early, or starting a business. Define your vision and work towards it every day. Conclusion: your financial freedom starts now. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. Whether it's paying off debt, investing, or saving, take action today. Your money should work for you, not control you. What's one step you can take right now to improve your finances? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and take charge of your financial future today.